What is up, YouTube? Are you trying to find a way to make money online and have as little work as possible to do for it? If so, I got something really interesting to tell you about in my review of Bulletproof Commissions. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am, well, one of the few people who can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are new, feel free to skip ahead. You don't have to listen to my jokes. I know they're kind of stale. That's just the way I roll. But if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info bugs to make money online niche to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, you know what? I don't even care. You can complain all you want. I got a haircut finally after 2 months. These fine people can see that I am in a good mood because I got a haircut. The lockdown is finally starting to lift where I am. I hope it's lifting for you as well, and hope you're able to make some money. Get back to work. And if you want to get back to work and make some money, this is a good way to start. Let's keep going about this. So, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thanks, Liz. See, I love Liz. During the lockdown, we've been watching 30 Rock all the time, and she's great. I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. We are on the sales page for Bulletproof Commissions. And you can see here, this is a screenshot. I'm not sure if this belongs to my friend Vic or my friend Mark. They're the two people responsible for the Bulletproof Commissions program. Either way, I'm a little bit disappointed, to be perfectly honest, with this particular screenshot, and I'll explain why I don't like it so much. The reason is simple. These guys both have an email list already of people that have purchased stuff. They know that they have people who purchase stuff. And you, as a newbie, as somebody who doesn't have a list, is going to start out without without a list, basically. So getting these kind of numbers, probably not going to happen right away, but I've got a hack for you that's going to help you out a lot in order to help you build a list really, really fast. It is actually my custom bonus. Now, you see, Bulletproof Commissions, basically the concept is that they've put together the materials that you need. They're putting together a set of emails that they're going to give you in order to be able to do these kinds of sales once you have a list. The catch is you got to have a list. So I'm going to actually give you something really special that you're not going to get anywhere else. I'm actually giving you access to my very own course, which is called the Income Formula. The Income Formula is all about how to build a list starting from scratch if you have absolutely no list. There's 3 different methods there teaching you how to build a list. 3 different methods teaching you how to build a list. Well, technically 4. Anyway.
You seem a little confused.
But basically, so I'm confused. So sue me. Anyway. But seriously, so, and I'm also going to show you another secret hack that they don't show you here in Bulletproof Commissions. That's really, really going to help you out a lot with being able to compete against some of the bigger names in the industry in order to start making some serious sales and make some money and see some real results. It's something very, very unique. It's something I call reverse launch stacking. Now, I do want to show you the members area real quick over here. This is the members area, and you can probably ignore the beginning here, the welcome video, the join VIP community. This is just Vic Hardy's basic groups. If you want to join them, there's nothing wrong with them. I'm just saying they're not anything specific to the Bulletproof Commission system. Over here, you actually have the Bulletproof Commission system. Now, they are going to show you, first of all, they're going to give you their campaigns. The campaigns are basically done for you emails that you can actually use to go ahead and send out emails for the various products that they're going to recommend that you try to sell. So that's a nice thing that really does help a lot, because I know a lot of people have trouble writing emails. Inside of my own custom bonus, inside of the income formula, you are going to get access to my own information on how to write emails. It's really going to help you out a lot. But if you don't want to write emails, they're going to give you emails. They're also going to show you some traffic methods. Honestly, I like my traffic methods better. No point, no, look, they've got theirs, I got mine, but uh, I just like mine better. That's bottom line. I think mine are better than theirs. But either way, they're pretty good stuff, and you're going to get both of them here inside of the members area as well as in my members area of the income formula. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give the tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Indeed, you rock. I do like this program. It's really good. I love the fact that everything is done for you. The only thing I don't like is the sales page. I'm always a little bit leery when people put these sales pages up showing, look, I've made 100 sales. That's not realistic for a newbie. You will make sales if you apply the program, if you get traffic and you start building yourself a list, you will be able to make sales. I'm not saying you can't, but you're not going to see, in a week's time that you're making 200 sales. That's just not going to happen. Okay. Realistically, in a week's time, you might make a couple of sales, and after a few weeks or a month or 2 months or 3 months, you're going to start seeing results. And it snowballs really, really quickly. I started out making 1 or 2 sales here and there. I remember how excited I was when I made my first sale. And at this point, it's no longer a question of if I'm making sales. It's a question of how many sales I'm making in a given day and how much money I'm making in a given month. This is my full-time income now, so I can tell you that this kind of method does work, but you got to stick with it. It's going to take a little bit of time. But go ahead and grab this, pick it up, get the income formula with it as well. Together, this will make you unstoppable.